Things to know about free auto insurance quotes. Obtaining a vehicle insurance quotation is the most effective approach to comparing insurance providers' rates and coverage possibilities. Most vehicle insurance providers provide free quotations, however, this method might be inefficient because it only yields one price. Free auto insurance quotes services, such as the Zebra, allow cars to submit their data once and obtain estimates from all of the most reputable insurance providers in minutes. What exactly is a vehicle insurance quote? A vehicle insurance quote is an estimation of how much you will spend on car insurance. Your driving record, where you reside, the sort of automobile you drive, and a variety of other people and environment all influence your quote. Because each insurer designs its vehicle coverage using various criteria, no two insurance quotes are the same. Continue reading to discover more about auto insurance rates and how to receive free auto insurance quotes online. How to get a free auto insurance quotes. While auto insurance is mandatory in virtually every state in the United States, getting the correct policy at a reasonable price can be difficult. Use the steps below to help you locate the proper coverage at an affordable price. Investigate the reputation of insurers. Understanding how insurance companies handle their customers is an important factor in the insurance buying process. Look for metrics like claim satisfaction and customer complaints. Together with the Department of Business and J.D. Power, the list of the best auto insurance providers according to the Zebra Satisfaction Survey is a great place to start. Choose how you want to obtain your quotes. Following some studies on the finest insurers, the following step should be determining how to obtain insurance quotations. Regardless of the technique you use, it is critical to obtain many estimates to ensure that you are obtaining adequate coverage at a reasonable price. This may be accomplished using the following methods. Captive agents on the ground. These agents are only affiliated with one insurance provider. Therefore, you will only receive quotes from that company. It should be noted that some younger or more technologically oriented carriers do not utilize agents at all. Brokers or independent agents. Independent agents and dealers may be authorized to sell insurance for a variety of businesses, providing you with a broader selection of possibilities. Many of the nation's largest insurance firms offer coverage through independent brokers. Comparison websites. Online insurance comparison services, which provide the most convenience and a large range of alternatives, may help you find various vehicle insurance rates in minutes. Not all comparison websites, however, are created equal. Some exclusively work with a few insurance companies, whereas others sell your data to other aggregators. The Zebra, on the other hand, works with the country's biggest insurance firms and claims to preserve your data. Consider your insurance coverage. Knowing the coverage you require in advance might aid you in your quest for auto insurance. While some drivers only desire the bare minimum of coverage, there are several reasons to explore beyond basic liability. For one thing, several states have standards that may not be sufficient to cover the harm you may cause in an accident. Furthermore, liability-only coverage does not protect your car, placing either you or your vehicle at danger. Consider your financial situation when comparing quotes. Most buyers look at the price first. It's important to keep your auto insurance rates under control. But remember that the lowest option is not necessarily the best. This is where your coverage expertise will come in handy. A thorough examination of your estimates will help you determine if coverage is adequate for your needs. However, keep in mind that less expensive coverage from a provider with a bad track record for customer support may not be optimal. Select your policy now that you have this knowledge. It's time to pick your quotations. Examine the samples below to find which provides the most value for money and coverage. How does driving safety affect free auto insurance quotes? Driving history is one of the most important variables in producing online auto insurance rates. A driver's driving history is an excellent predictor of how they will drive in the future. According to a car insurance company, if a motorist has a history of speeding tickets, at-fault incidents, driving without insurance, or other offenses, their insurance premiums will be higher. Those with a clean record should expect to pay substantially lower premiums on average. Speeding citations, duis, and other offenses make it difficult to obtain low-cost auto insurance estimates. A DUI may hike insurance premiums by up to 65%, with certain jurisdictions punishing drivers even more severely.